How's it going, everybody? My name is John. I'm here today with Genesis of Schaumburg, part of the Patrick Dealer Group in Schaumburg, Illinois. We have another exciting video for you today because we're going to be talking about this awesome 2025 Genesis G80. This thing is absolutely beautiful. Let's talk about it. Starting it off with this beautiful G80. This particular one is in Makalu gray matte paint. It looks absolutely stunning, especially in this sunlight in here. You can just see all the beautiful body lines of this car perfectly. It just sharpens every edge of this car, makes it look absolutely stunning. I really like the black chrome accents that really just set it off, especially against this black paint. Again, just looks absolutely beautiful no matter what angle you look at it. You have some of the distinctive Genesis design trademarks. You have the 2-bar headlight and taillight design. You have the big grille up front, just absolutely beautiful everywhere around. This one does have the sport package, so you get a little bit more aggressive front and rear bumpers. Power-wise, this car has a 2.5 liter turbocharged inline 4-cylinder engine, puts out 304 horsepower and 311 foot-pounds of torque. So absolutely plenty of power to get you wherever you need to go quickly. This car can do 0 to 60 in about 6 seconds, helped out by the 8-speed automatic transmission in here, and it can do about 22 miles per gallon in fuel economy. So pretty good all the way around. Around to the back of the car, you can see you have these beautiful 20-inch wheels. I absolutely love how the design on the spokes mimics the designs in the front grille. Looks absolutely beautiful. I love the cohesive design all the way around. I really like the big exhaust down at the bottom of the bumper. Also, you got big Genesis branding on the back of the car as well, but this car, especially in this color specification, just looks absolutely beautiful all the way around. There is not a bad angle on the Genesis G80. All right, taking a look inside, you can see just again how beautiful this interior is. This interior color is called Sevilla Red. It's absolutely gorgeous. I'm a sucker for red interiors. It looks amazing on every single car, especially this one. You have these super supple leather seats. Really nice leather quality on here. You have amazing detailing in the seats as well. I really like this kind of chevron style pattern that they have going on with the seat design. You also get a red steering wheel with this interior color, which I absolutely love. It's something that a lot of other brands are going to shy away from because they might think it's too much. It looks absolutely beautiful on here. You get red on the inside of the wheel and then a black outer trim around it. Other details on the interior, you have a 27-inch touchscreen LED display. Really nice graphics on these cars. I've done a full breakdown of the infotainment system in all Genesis models. If you want to watch that video, you can click on the link up at the top corner there. But they do a fantastic job at giving customers all of the luxury experiences that they could possibly ask for at a reasonable price point, and they just did a fantastic job with the G80. I really like on the dashboard how you can see you have a engine turned kind of aluminum look for the trim, and then a piano black trim down at the bottom for the center console. They really take a lot of time with their interior choices, and they do a fantastic job. They knock it out of the park every single time. You also have a ton of safety features in this car. The list is just endless. Basically anything you can think about in regards to safety, these vehicles have. Frontal collision warning, lane departure, blind spot assist, backup assistance, basically anything you can think of, these cars have it. These cars start at about $58,000. This one is pretty much loaded up to the gills, so it's stickered at $71, but even then you get a ton of value for money with these cars. These cars are just incredibly smooth. You have tons of power from the engine. The all-wheel drive is going to get you anywhere you need to go without question, and the luxury and safety features in these cars are second to none. The Genesis G80 is an absolute winner all the way around. Come test drive one for yourself. All right, thank you all so much for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to leave a like and a comment down below. If you have any questions for parts, service, or sales, the number is down below here. We'll be happy to help you out with whatever you need. Stay tuned for more videos coming soon. Have a great day.